Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to recover Instagram account. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once in Instagram, tap on your profile photo on the bottom right. And then in here, let's click on Login to existing account. We're going to be using this as an example. Once you are now in this part of Instagram, the next step to do is to click on Forgot Your Password. And then in here, it will say Find Your Account. First, input your username, then click on the blue button. In here, you can choose Send an SMS message. Instagram will now give you a confirmation code. Just enter the 6-digit confirmation code that was sent to either your email or phone number, and then you're going to click on Next. Once done, you should now be able to enter your Instagram account. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.